Hello students, in this video we are going to cover question number 18 and the part A. That is your exercise question number 9.35. Okay, before going to start this question, let's read what exactly the ministry want to ask us. The first thing, apply the kinematic relationships. Okay, so we have the different equations which you already studied in term 2 also for circular motion with constant acceleration. Okay, this is the condition. Actually, if you want to apply the kinematic relationship, there is a basic condition that the angular acceleration should be constant. To calculate angular position, okay, angular displacement, angular velocity and angular acceleration over time. Okay, these all are the just connecting that once you understand the relation, you can solve all the things. Okay, second thing, solve problem related to rotation with constant angular acceleration. Okay, this is the same thing, because we already covered in part A. Relate the magnitude of net acceleration. Okay, net acceleration in circular motion to tangential acceleration and centripetal acceleration. Actually, the last part I already covered in the previous video, but still I will explain you. So guys, let's start with the kinematic relations. Okay, so first you need to understand the all the kinematic relations. So in terms of linear motion and in terms of angular motion, how you can solve this? Okay, if I say x is equals to x naught plus vit plus half a t square. Okay, this is the thing what you understand, which you learned in the previous section also in the term 2. Okay, now for the angular. Okay, just use it. As we know, we can replace some values. Okay, first I will tell you what to replace. Theta is equals to theta naught plus omega I t plus half alpha t square. Okay, now the major things you should know what to replace. I will write it here for you. So here x is replaced with theta. Okay, this is the linear distance, this is the angular. Sure. Okay, then you have omega. Okay, not this one. 1 by 1 x naught is replaced with theta naught, that is your initial distance. Okay, then we have in terms of velocity vi v final. Okay, that is omega I omega final. Clear? Okay, then you have acceleration, that will be replaced with alpha, time is time. Okay, and if anything else will come, I will tell you. Okay, the first equation is clear. Fine, first equation. Okay, now we have the second equation. We have the thing called v square, v final square is equals to v initial square plus 2as or 2ax, you can say. That is much better. Okay, just try to replace. Can I say omega f square, which is equals to omega initial square plus 2 alpha theta. Clear guys? Easy. Okay, third equation, v is equals to or vf is equals to vi plus at. So how can you solve the third equation? Okay, think in your brain, omega f, yes or no, which is equals to omega I plus alpha t. Till here clear? First, you understand these are the kinematic equations. Okay, the major thing what you need to understand here, there are few things, few formulas what you need to understand. As we know, what is velocity? Simple velocity. Velocity is displacement divided by time. Yes or no? This much we understand. Okay, can I say x2 minus x1 over t2 minus t1? Clear? Okay, so in a similar way, can I say omega should be equals to, that is also displacement by time. So theta 2 minus theta 1 over time 2 minus time 1. Yes or no? This is your first part. Second part, let's say we are solving acceleration in case of acceleration. So can I say A is equals to V2 minus V1 over T2 minus T1? This is the formula we know. So alpha, what should be the alpha? Omega 2 minus omega 1 over T2 minus T1. Yes or no? Clear? Sure. Okay, now the major thing. I'm going to add a page here for you so that you can understand in a good way. Okay, now guys, the major problem which all the students, means lots of the students identify. What is the relationship between revolution and the radian? How to solve them? RPM, RPS, lots of things will come. Okay, the first thing what you need to understand, we have a word called theta. Okay, its unit is radian. Its unit is radian. Okay, if I say circle, in case of circle, there are two things happen. I can say one revolution, and I can say theta is equals to 2 pi, which is equals to 360 degree. Yes or no? In case of circle. So can I relate them? Can I say one revolution is equals to 2 pi radian? This is your first basic understanding so that you can solve this. Clear? So let's say you have 3 revolution. So what can I say? 3 revolution. So can we simply say, what is the technique? Okay, bring 3 here. And what is the value of revolution? Can I say 1 revolution is equals to 2 pi radian? Yes or no? So place the same value. So 1 revolution is equals to 2 pi radian. So what should be your answer? 6 pi radian. Is it fine? Clear? Okay. And what this 6 pi is given you? So can I say 3 revolution is equals to theta equals 6 pi radian, because it is giving you value of angle theta, which is your angular displacement. Because I need to cover one more word that is major, very, very important. What is the meaning of angular position and angular displacement? This much you understand, angular displacement. Okay, let's say if you have a question, and sometimes in the question they will give you, let's say 20 RPM. First we need to understand what is the meaning of 20 revolution per minute. Okay, how many things we need to convert? First we need to focus. Okay, just simply say 20 will give you 20. Okay, 20 revolution. Can I say 2 pi radian? Yes or no? Per means divide. What is here? Minute. Minute will be converted into 60 second. Yes or no? So what should be the answer? 20 multiply 2 pi divided by 60, and the unit should be radian per second. Clear? And we need to understand what exactly it is. So can I say radian is your angle theta and second is your time t? Whose formula? So can I say omega, which is your angular velocity, which is equals to theta divided by t. And what is the unit? Radian per second. So whenever it is given like, okay, in the question that 30 RPM. So what is given, guys? Just try to build in your brain that the omega is given. What is given? Omega. And what you need to convert. You need to convert that omega is equals to 30 RPM, which is equals to 30. If it is RPM, multiply, simple multiply, 2 pi divided by 60. Clear? This will become your radian per second. Fine. Okay, one more thing, and which will create a problem in the question. Let's say in a question it is given value is 30 rps. What is the meaning of this? Revolution per second. Now my question is, what we need to convert? 30. Okay, convert the revolution. Revolution becomes 2 pi radian. Yes or no? Okay, second. It remains a second. No need to change. It will remain the second. So 30 multiply 2 pi radian per second. Yes or no? So your new omega is, which is 30 rps, which is equals to 30 multiply 2 pi radian per second. Clear, guys? Sure. Okay, one more word. What you need to understand here, I will add a page for you. There is a word called angular position. This is something very, very important. And students get confused. What is the meaning of angular position? What is the meaning of angular position? You need to understand angular displacement, which is also called theta, angular position, which is also called theta. But what is the difference between these two? See, in terms of displacement, you need to find only angle. Okay, let's say in a circle, what we have, theta is equals to 2 pi. Fine, this is your angular displacement. But if you are looking for position, it means if you have to solve, if you are solving the kinematic equation in terms of equations, let's say we have theta is equals to theta naught plus omega it plus half alpha t square. So if you are solving any value, just try to understand what is angular position. If you are solving angle theta with the equation, I will write, if you find theta with the help of equation, then it is called angular position. And if you are solving directly, that is your simply angle theta. That is your angular displacement. Is it fine? Okay, guys, now just back to the question and try to understand. A vinyl record plays, okay, at 333 rpm. Okay, now what is given to us? Omega is given, because we can check the unit. So omega is 33.3 rpm. It means I need to change m. And what I told you, what should be the relation? 33.3 multiply 2 pi divided by 60. And what should be the unit? So can I say 33.3 multiply 2 pi over 60, and what should be the unit? This will give you radian, this will give you second. Yes or no? Is it fine? This is your omega. Fine? Okay, assume it takes, okay, 5 seconds. Okay, time is given. So your time is 5 seconds for it to reach this full speed. Full speed means the final value. Because if someone achieve the full speed, means that is the maximum. Starting from rest. It means what we have now, this becomes your final and this becomes your final. Omega I is your 0. Why? 0 radian per second. Why? It starts from rest, and time 1 or initial is also equals to 0 second. Clear? Okay. What is the angular acceleration during the 5 second? Okay, what we are looking for? Angular acceleration. It's very, very easy. Okay, part A, huh? Solve part A. Part A, angular acceleration. How to solve? So alpha should be equals to, can I say, omega final minus omega initial divided by time final minus time initial. Yes or no? Okay, place their values. So what is omega final? Okay, 33.3 multiply 2 pi over 60 minus 0 divided by, what is your time? 5 minus 0. Okay, solve this. Put in your calculator. Fast, fast, fast. So what we get? 0.111. No. Just solve it, solve it, solve it, solve it. So what should be the answer? Your answer should be 0.6974 radian per second square, because this is already a radian per second, the upper value. This is your radian per second and divided by second. So it will become radian per second square. Is it fine? Sure. Okay, now what is the second part? How many revolutions? Okay, this is something interesting, huh? How many revolutions does the record make before reaching the final angular speed? How many revolutions means you have to find out how many times it's keep on moving, keep on moving, keep on moving. Yes or no? Okay, part B, that is the easy one. Okay, just simply apply. What we are looking for, we are using the equations. Yes or no? So can I say theta is equals to theta naught plus omega I t plus half alpha t square. And revolution means, what you need to understand, I will just use the space. Okay, so what we are looking for, a revolution. It means we need to find out the circle, and circle means angle theta. Till here clear? Okay, now just solve it. We know theta naught is 0, omega I is equals to 0. So solve this. Theta is equals to half alpha t square. Okay, half time alpha we already solved, 0.6974, and what is the time? 5 square. So what is the theta? Solve it, solve it, solve it fast. 8.718, and the unit should be radian. Unit should be radian. Is it fine, guys? Is it fine? Sure. Okay, now there is one more word. He is asking for the revolution, not the radian. We already solved. Theta is equals to 8.718 radian. How to convert this into revolution? Now divide by. So just what we need to find, theta equals to 8.718 divided by 2 pi. This will give you 1.38 revolution. Yes or no? Clear? Sure. We already learned that 1 revolution is equals to 2 pi radian. Yes or no? Or make it easy, if you want to convert revolution to radian. Revolution to radian. So there is 2 pi. Clear? So if you are converting, let's say 5 revolution, so you are doing 5 multiply 2 pi radian. Yes or no? If anyone give you 5 radian, then what we need to do? 5 divided by 2 pi revolution. Is it fine? Yes or no? So what you understand, revolution to radian, 2 pi times of radian, multiply with 2 pi, and radian to revolution, 1 over 2 pi of revolution. Is it fine? Clear? Sure. Okay, so this is your question. Clear, guys? You understand step by step everything? Okay, so if this type of question will come in your exam, you can solve it. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and keep on practicing.